Hello and welcome to Grow Your YouTube Channel, the channel that is all about helping you start a YouTube channel growth, tips and tricks, helping you get monetized and reaching more viewers and the best and expert advice, whether you're just starting off or whether you have thousands of subscribers and already monetized. There's always important information that you can get on YouTube, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for more upcoming videos that will help you grow your YouTube channel. So let's dive right into it. This video is going to be all about VidIQ. Now, what is VidIQ? VidIQ is a Chrome extension, an extension to YouTube as well, a trusted partner that basically helps give you analytics of any channel, any video, basically everything on YouTube. It is the #1 overall analytic application, or I should say extension to use, and it will give you insights to a lot of features that will help you rank in SEO or search engine optimization. So if we dive right into it, I'm just using YouTube advice for an example. We click enter. So the first thing you're going to notice on the right is how popular this search term is. Now, this is important to know when you are titling your YouTube video as well as putting in tags. This is basically going to show how popular this search is, how many views this particular search has, how many people subscribe to anything related to YouTube advice. So if we go ahead and click on one of these videos, we'll dive in a little bit more. So video tags and channel tags, those are the two big key elements of VidIQ and why people use it. It is basically going to show you how your video will rank for certain things that people search. So how to start on YouTube, this video is, if you were to type this into your search bar up here, this would rank number 10. So what this video ranks for in YouTube search when searching for this keyword. Now that's really good, especially if you're in this specific niche. 435,000 views since January. That's about almost 8 months. That's a really good 2.2 million subscribers too. That's a very good ratio. Great like to dislike ratio. And above that, you can see basically nothing on YouTube is ever hidden. You'll be able to see everything from every channel, how many total views this channel has gotten, 133 million. Very impressive, 2.02 million subscribers with 4,000 average daily subscribers. Now, this person is just killing it in this YouTube niche. So that's just basically giving you insights to this person and his channel, and as you can tell, they're from the United Kingdom. Just so many things that you could search for or get input with certain channels on here. But again, this is mainly used for video tags and helping you rank in SEO. Now, why is this important for your videos? Well, YouTube, again, as I explained in the last video, will rank your videos' importance basically on a scale from 1 to 10. The longer so this person's video, for example, is 17 minutes. If I were to stick around for at least 10 minutes and watch this person's video, that would mark this video to YouTube's algorithm as important, and it will help push this video up to new viewers and maintain that search engine optimization. So the better this video performs, as you can tell, this video is doing extremely well for what I searched in on YouTube in this niche in general. It's been doing very good, 30,000 likes in comparison to 186 dislikes. So overall, this video is just killing it. Congrats to this YouTuber, especially on this video as well, having lots of success right here, and especially maintaining these since January. I mean, these do fluctuate. So he probably was #1 at some point, I would imagine, and he's probably been within the top 10, at least for this particular search right here, how to start on YouTube. Now, if you highlight it, it's going to give you a lot more analytics on search volume, competition, and also a score of 1 to 100. And what that score is basically telling you is how good that keyword is, how many people are searching for it, how popular it is. And again, that's ranking it on a scale from 1 to 100. So the higher you rank on that overall score, the more generally the more important your keyword will actually be. Now, if we go ahead and search for this video, usually it will be in the top 10. I'm not sure why it's not showing it. Basically, what's going on here is it will show you how this video has it. Oh, I know what. Because if you were to just search this on another browser, it would show up as number 10. But just because I opened it and then only watched 10 seconds or so, it's actually going to bump it down. So this video, if you were to search it right now on YouTube, will show that it will rank number 10. I'm going to pause this really quick. So why is it important to have VidIQ? VidIQ is essential because it is free. All you got to do is sign up with your email, put in, link your YouTube account, and it's as good as that. There is a premium feature or premium membership to VidIQ, but that is only if you're having, as much success as this person is. Then they might be able to get more insight from using VidIQ Premium. But again, most people, I'd say 99% of people will be using the free, or I should say basic edition of VidIQ. Again, it's an incredible platform to use. TubeBuddy is also another trusted YouTube extension for any analytics on any channel or any video. You can just get insights to anything that you want, but again, the most important feature, or at least the most attractive feature on VidIQ, is the video tags and channel tags as well. So if you're trying to reference a video like this, or really in any category, then you would want to go ahead and basically create some similar video tags and channel tags depending on what your video is about. You don't want to copy them completely. That wouldn't be copyright because you can copy video tags completely how they are, but YouTube will know what your video is talking about just by detecting what you are saying in your video. So if you have video tags that don't line up properly, it's going to confuse the YouTube algorithm. So always make sure that you have relative tags and you're not just throwing in random ones that you want to rank for. This person, like I said before, it's okay to use things like your name, or if you want to copy the entire title and put it in there, that's always a good thing to do. But always make sure that your tags and your channel tags have whatever it is to do with your channel. Or as you can see, this person has great achievements down here. You can put that as well in your channel tags, but I'd keep it out of your video tags, as video tags are mainly just to help your video rank for search engine optimization. So again, this is VidIQ. And if you want to download this extension, you would just, you can go ahead and search it into Google. It's not hard to find. Create a free membership with your email, download it. If you're using Chrome or any other browser, most likely will ask you if you would like to activate this extension. There's going to be a warning that pops up. Feel free to just ignore it because VidIQ and TubeBuddy are basically the two trusted analytic extensions that you can use for YouTube. They're YouTube partnered, YouTube trusted. And if you want any more validation, you can search up anything on Google about them. Or I'm sure there's other videos on YouTube as well. So I would definitely recommend having that, even if you're just starting out, because it'll help you get a lot of insight and will help your channel grow even more than you think so, because the more videos you put out and the more relative tags that you have, the better chance that YouTube will have of pushing your video up and into the hands of viewers who are looking for videos like yours. And again, bringing up the point that this also has to do with how well your videos do for engagement. Again, if I were to only watch this video for a couple minutes then click out of it, that's not going to do this person well. But because I paused it and I'm not really going to dive right into it, I don't want to. I mean, this person has 435,000 views. I mean, one person like me, clicking, watching for a couple seconds and then exiting out isn't really going to affect anything. But if you're like me and you're starting off a channel and you only have a couple hundred subscribers or so, you want to make sure that it's fully optimized so people watch your video from the beginning until the end. So VidIQ, again, will give you so many different, just basically so many different ways to analyze videos and channels that could be for your benefit. So again, VidIQ, TubeBuddy if you want to look into that. And yeah, honestly, I would recommend getting those as soon as possible if you're watching this. And if you like this content, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos just like this. I appreciate you watching till the end. Thanks and bye.